Welcome to day 29 and congratulations. So today is actually day 30. So if you have been completing from last 30 days, then you have just crossed sixth flat line of our sequence rule. So once again congratulations. So today we are going to be just recap the things from all the previous day we have discussed for last 30 days, and tomorrow we will discuss some about like how the this 30 days boot camp and all the experience or what the people are saying whoever the associating with this challenge. So to day one, we have discussed about the late side go means you have to you just write your story how the thing and how the stuff and how you get into this addiction. Day two, we have just quick startup means like journaling. You have to understand the accountability auto suggestion. There are four main things. So accountability auto suggestion, golden rule, and sequence rule. Day three, we have discussed about the like how the it is addictive, how you have been in this addiction mode. Therefore, we have discussed about its side effect and problem due to the porn addiction and masturbation. So you have to be take care of these things and you have to relate. So either these are the problem with you or not. Day five, we have discussed about the like how porn is like in a huge industry which is trapping you, which is you are being hooked up. So you don't want to like watch, but the circumstances, the internet is like that kind of thing. So you just get into the mode. So you have to be understand the things and you have to be take care of the things. Goal setting. So we have discussed about like how a smart our goals should be and how it is a specific or towards the things. So just go once and sequence will be have discussed about like it's a very psychological like 5 7 11 15 21 30. So for each stoppage you have to be take care of the things and the portion or that the time where your flat line is at the peak. So you have to take care of this thing. Blue versus red means no porn but you can masturbate, no porn no masturbate, that is red. So public disclosure, so you just sign up from any public platform, so you can having the like more uh, ability or more the thing, so you are most courage. Quick summary we have seen in day 10. So that day we have like 11 days for no point. So day 11 we have discussed about the flat line. So how it is like no flat line is the where you just seeing the negative things or seeing the like drawbacks, or it is like a huge urge. So now you just unable to control or that kind of means confidence is getting boosted but suddenly drop. Accountability we have discussed in day 12. Day 13 we have discussed about the golden rule means the golden rule are so many we have discussed in day 13 or day 14 as well, but the only thing is you have to keep away your hand from your waist part of area. Day 15 we have seen or we have discussed about the auto suggestion. Day 16 we have discussed about the trigger means how trigger leading you to the masturbation. We will also see the 90 days if there is a gap or not. Day 17 we have discussed about IER means you have to identify the problem, eliminate, and then you have to replace with some new habit or new kind of thing. 5R means region, research, repetition, responsibility, reward. We have discussed location based trigger. Then we have discussed about the time based trigger. Then we have discussed about the emotional state trigger, preceding action trigger, and day 21 we have like summarized from day 1 to day 19 as well. So we have like in a short summary. Day 23 window formatting means now the internet is the thing where you are like spending the more time or not. This is this habit is due to this like internet. If there is no internet, high speed internet, so it's a very less chances to get into this addiction. So what you have to save second blocker, no incognito ad blocker. So now all the things we have discussed you just go through once and keep deleting your history, and so that will giving you like a huge boost to in your this challenge. Day 24 phishing means how you are being fished up or hooked up to this addiction. So what you have to do like turn off the notification, no ad, and you have to be like cyber squatting. You have to understand the things, you have to understand how it is hooking you. Day 25 we have discussed about the procrastination killer, where we have discussed about like procrastination framework means na movement leads to you, day leads week month year. So there are two things. 5 second rule means the simple whenever you're getting the thought yes no means you know you have don't have to do, but no you are doing that thing, you are just delaying the things, you are just keep saying so I will do or no last time something. So whenever you are getting that kind of the thought, you just count in a reverse way, 5 4 3 2 1. The reverse procrastination means you assign some task which you hate most means you don't want to do. So whenever you're doing the like watching porn or masturbation, so you assign that things like drinking a glass of juice or 100 push up. So that is going to help you a lot. Day 26 we discuss about something health means how our health is affecting to in our challenge or in our day-to-day life. So you have to must take care about the health and just go through the things, and it's not like a expert type, it's just a common awareness, so you have to take in mind it. Life hack we have discussed about some like like rituals or some kind of techniques which is going to help you a lot to build your confidence, build your like productivity. So there we have discussed like context management, 30-day challenge, checklist management, reframing, 6 phase meditation is the best, 30-second mindfulness. So you just try once and just see either it is affecting or not. I believe you have to incorporate it in your day-to-day life so that you get the huge boost. In the part 2 of this life hacks, we have discussed about something which is related to you, like how you work, how you taking the responsibility, books you are reading, people around you, how your sleep pattern means. There should be a quality sleep, there should be energetic sleep. Application to universe, how you believing the things, the trust entire the society, entire the universe, and the responsible for you means you are the only cause for any change. Day 30 we will going to discuss like day 29 we have discussed all the things from day 1 to day 29. So it's a quick summary, and once again congratulations. So I hope your 30-day challenge is going so well and you are just following the static, and I hope you will just keep continuing for day 50, day 60 as the sequence rule. So thank you so much. So let's complete this challenge and see you tomorrow. You just share your feedback, you share your testimonial how the this 30 days went on. So see you.